Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down prerequisites, a clear target audience, a monetization model, and the minimal feature set. Once done, install your dev tools and scaffold the project with your chosen framework. Make sure to integrate an analytics plan and select ad SDKs you'll use for tests. Next, wire basic UI flows, onboarding, video player, ad placement, and a simple dashboard. This gets the app into a testable state fast, so you can iterate on user data and ad performance. Now you build the middle: robust playback, ad delivery, and back-end plumbing. You implement adaptive streaming and caching so videos play smoothly, then integrate rewarded and interstitial ad SDKs and handle consent and frequency caps. Meanwhile, create back-end endpoints for accounts, ad event webhooks, and a payout ledger with clear transaction states. Use staging to simulate ad impressions and revenue flows. Make sure to log events and expose metrics so you can tune ad timing, fill rates, and user retention based on real data. Finish by launching a controlled beta and measuring key metrics like DAU, ARPU, retention, and eCPM. You run a/B tests on ad placement and reward values while iterating onboarding to boost retention, then scale gradually. For payouts, automate clear thresholds and verification. If something breaks, check common failures: SDK version conflicts, low ad fill from networks, or webhook mismatches. A single troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue in staging with full logs, then roll a targeted hotfix rather than wide rollback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.